Are you like me and you're wondering how the heck we're at already the middle of 2018? Happy July, this is exciting. However, this year is flying by. So I don't know if you were able to set up goals that you wanted for your 2018 and your first 2 quarters. However, we did, and we're still astonished with how quickly this year is going by. So in this video, we're going to go over exactly what we're doing to make sure that we're on track for our 2018 goals, as well as laying out exactly what our quarter 3 goals are so that you can create your goals with us. So the first part of this year was a huge success for us. We have been able to work with so many different companies and launch a lot of sites that we're really proud of, all on the Shopify platform. However, in doing that, we took on so much client work that we haven't been able to really focus on some of our other goals that we really laid out that we wanted to focus on this year. So one of them being YouTube. Another is our other platform that we have started of tomofit.com, which is a women's fitness apparel company, which we have some other videos that I'll link to about how we are doing that with the Printful app and doing printing on demand there. So we haven't really been able to focus too much of our time to that because we've been so busy with our one-on-one client work. So for quarter 3, we are regaining focus, coming back together, and making our number 1 priority for quarter 3 be all about YouTube. So you guys are in luck. So in terms of that, we are going in and we are creating a very specific timeline for our projects. We're breaking down our items into smaller bite-sized projects and making it so it's very manageable. So I talked about this in some of our other videos that we had at the beginning of the year in terms of how we plan out our goals in the quarter-based system and how we have projects and tasks associated with that. So I will link that below in the video description as well as the info card somewhere, and have that for you in terms of how to create your own goals. I think this is super important because so many times we catch ourselves doing this as well, but we set a really huge goal as something, that we're gonna do this month. And actually when we break down all of the details of everything that's needed for all the different compartments of completing this project, it's actually like a 2 or 3 month long project. And we really have to just be very clear on how long things are gonna take us. I definitely have that mindset where as soon as I get excited about an idea, I want to do it right away, right now. But you have to stay really focused and make sure that you have goals planned out so that you're not always just following that next shiny object or having that shiny object syndrome, as they say. So by creating these goals, you're going to be able to have a very targeted quarter 3 and quarter 4 to make sure that you're still on track to reach your overall 2018 goals. It also lets you create a revenue plan. So we've been able to say, okay, if we hit all of our goals that we've created for ourselves, what does our revenue look like at the end of quarter 3? What's our good goal, our best goal, and our dancing on the rooftop naked goal, which that one's typically a lot higher to get us dancing naked, but you know. So I would love to hear what kind of goals you are creating for yourself. I would love for you to comment below this video and let us know, how did your first quarter of the year go? Did quarter 1 and 2 fly by for you just as it did for us? Or have you been super laser focused? What worked for you? What didn't work for you? But most of all, I want you to comment below and tell us what your goals are for quarter 3 so that we can hold you accountable. Accountability is the biggest thing when setting goals because as entrepreneurs, there are so many things that take up our time. So I challenge you to comment below this video and declare what your goals are going to be for this next quarter for the rest of 2018, and I really want you to also write them down on a piece of paper and hold yourself accountable to them. Make it part of all of your decision making whenever you decide to work with a new client or to add a new product to your store. Say, is this going to work to help me reach my goals? And if you don't know what your goals are and you don't have them on a post-it note next to your desk, it's really easy to always say yes to projects that aren't going to really fit those goals. So I really challenge you to first comment below this video and let us know what your goals are so we can help you accomplish them, as well as make sure that you have written them down for yourself as well to always be able to reflect on. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to hear what your goals are for quarter 3 and quarter 4.